All right, guys, today is food truck day, and we've got 3 food trucks all done up and ready to go. We got Rickers Burritos, Brazzini Pizzeria, and then to finish it up, Edwards Drive-In, but we're not sure what their specialty is. It's kind of cool looking van. All right, guys, we're here with Jeff Edwards, who's the owner of Edwards Drive-In. Hey, Jeff, how's it going?
Great.
So what kind of food are you offering our guys here today?
Well, we're best known for our breaded tenderloin sandwich, our hand-dipped onion rings, and our bottled root beer.
Awesome. I'm looking forward to it. So I think this is one of the wagons I'm definitely going to be trying.
We kind of slay the beast when we come here, that's for sure.
Do you? Great stuff. Well, we're glad we have you here.
All right, great.
Thank you.
All
right, guys, we're here with James, who's the owner of Prozzini's Pizzeria. So the name pretty much says it all, but what we're going to ask him, what does he recommend the drivers go for today? What's the specialty? How's
well,
specialties?
A lot of these guys usually do meat lovers. What's up, man? Meat lovers is pretty much the #1 slice that everybody likes.
So that's what you're recommending today?
Yeah, but the Supreme's good. Everything's good.
It's all good, right?
Garlic knuckles are good. I'm an ex-truck driver myself.
Oh, awesome. Well,
Yeah,
I'm glad to see you here, and thanks for coming.
Hey, well, thank you, brother. Have a good one.
All right, I'm thinking we've got more pizza lovers in the crowd than anything. That pizza line is awfully long. Hammered down, yes sir. All right, to starting this bad boy up, they've got to put some little bit of help to it, I see. Battery powered starter right up on the blower here. Four batteries.
48 volts.
Just connects right in there. Well, I think I should stand back, right? Well, we definitely don't want to stand right underneath the exhaust, that's for darn sure. It's definitely one impressive motor. So I'm thinking my short little legs wouldn't fit in there, but it's a good thing you got some height to you.
All right, here we go.
There we go. We ready, guys? Hold your ears. Okay, my ears hurt. Ah, damn, that's loud. Man, you could feel that through the ground. That's impressive. That's 2,800 horses there for you. Whew. That hurt the ears.
I usually do the escort the cars back. Speed Coast especially.
Right there.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Tomorrow.
Elliot Stabler, everyone.
Master Truck Elliot Stabler.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we are actually sitting in this beast. Oh my goodness. I barely fit, but we're in it. We're going to extend you guys. That, roughly, is where the motor is. This is what you see from sitting in here. Oh, damn blower's in the way. You don't have much of a window to look out of. But hot diggity doggity. Look at this thing. My feet are long enough. I can reach the pedals. Oh, figure my short stubby legs can make it. But now the question is, can we get out?